Hello everyone, welcome to this episode of UnboxID. I'm your host Astley Ng, aka The Designer. We're here today at Casa and Maison. We're supposed to be meeting up with Rachel and we're going to share with her some of the cool things that they have inside the shop. But I think she's late because I don't see her.
You then late, I already here.
Oh, sorry. Okay, come, let's go. Here at Casa and Maison, it's a one-stop shop for your entire home. Let's check it out. Whether you are shopping for your lights, curtains, blinds, wallpaper or even carpets, Casa and Maison have all that you need for your home renovation. Beyond products, the Casa and Maison professional installation team is here to guide and serve you throughout the whole process.
Oi, playing with the light.
Yeah. Hey Rachel, I think this one is going to be perfect for your house. You remember we had all these false ceiling at your place, right? So instead of us mounting the traditional track lights, I'm going to do this. I'm going to actually cut out a lobang, then we're going to embed this track. Now this track is really cool because you see the normal track lights it's kind of big and bulky, right? This one you see so sleek. Now check this out. I can just remove this, right? And anywhere I want, depending on, let's say I have a painting here or a sculpture there, right? All I need to do is mount it in this way and point it towards the sculpture. Neat, right? Lighting plays the most important element to enhance your home. These foldable grid magnetic lights are ideal to feature areas of your home by spotlighting the features and can also be remotely controlled to suit all your lifestyle needs. Require more lights? Fret not. They carry different types of lighting for every corner of your home.
Wow, I love this place. There are mirrors everywhere.
Don't talk about mirror lah. Come. Hey, let me show you this. I think this is really cool. You see, traditional wallpaper is all about aesthetics. And then you normally choose from the books. What I found is that you can choose the print from the book, or let's say if you have any specific patterns or pictures, let's say your dog, your cat, your mother-in-law, your father-in-law, your kids, right? You can actually customize the print yourself. But more importantly, what's really even more cool, right, is that you can print it in a three-dimensional embossed manner.
I know, I've been touching it this whole time.
I think we have to convince them, show them how embossed it is. Let's do an experiment. Why don't you do this? This wallpaper uses imported Japan environment-free inks to process the printing. The majority of the white ink content is titanium dioxide. Titanium dioxide is actually a coating that helps purify the air. It literally clears the air of toxicants just by being there. So the more surface area covered by this material, the more effective it will be by being an air filter. What's best about this is that there is no need for a power supply to activate this function. Hey Google, movie time. A modern 21st century home for tech-savvy occupants is not complete without being smart. You can easily control your entire home with voice control here. So head on down now to Casa and Maison to get a comprehensive consultation with the experts.